Well, here's a Goodman running on a 50-degree day. Maybe if I stand out here long enough, it'll go into defrost. Who knows? It's set to 70. Shut off. You can hear the blower still running. Refrigerant equalizing. The blower takes, I think, 90 seconds to turn off. It's on time delay for efficiency purposes. We all know this thing's not as efficient as it used to be. Here's the compressor. There went the blower. There's the reversing valve. Here's the reversing valve wire that fell apart a couple years ago. Condenser fan motor, looking pretty rough. But yeah, that was the Goodman running. No defrost cycle yet, but there'll be one as soon as cold weather hits. Anyways, see you on the next one. Bye for now.